Hey guys, I'm back with some more Crash Hunter, and today we're going to be honking at drivers. They're doing the right thing. For an example, if I'm behind someone and they use their blinker, why are you using your blinker? Honk honk. Why don't they use their blinker? That's I'm obviously not going to use my own car. We might turn it into like wheel driving at the end because I am like into wheel driving, but I'm not sure. This might turn out funny. It might not turn out to be good. Road rage. Who knows? Come on, game. Why are you loading so much? Actually, I shouldn't honk at it because I don't want it to load. It's doing the wrong thing. When I do the wrong thing, nothing. When I do the right thing, honk honk. Watch out for railroad crossings, they can get tricky, otherwise we're train fans for life. Okay, I didn't say load forever, did I? Oi. So pretty much how not to drive is this episode. Come on, you're not supposed to go the speed limit. Come on, you're not supposed to stop at red lights. You're not supposed to stop at red lights. You don't stop at red lights. Come on, why use your blinker? Don't even bother using your blinker. You need to use your blinker. Yeah, you drive on the wrong side of the road. That's what you do. You don't stop at red lights. I know, why did I stop at a red light? I'm being such a bad driver. Okay, done. I do not like driving bad, okay? Done. Now we're just looking for good drivers. And not honking at drivers who stop at red lights. And guys, I did use my blinkers. I did stop at red lights. I was just honking. That's really the only thing I was doing. I was using my blinkers. I was stopping at red lights. I did kind of stop on the tracks, but not intentionally. Now we're just going to drive good and honk at drivers who actually need it. Oh wait, my blinker is still on. My license plate! Exposure! I've only gone this way a few times. I barely ever do, if so, do. I thought those were giant arrows. I'm like, don't copy driving school and like school driving and stuff. Let's go! God, let's Random act of kindness. I stopped at a stop sign. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh. ABS really kicks in when you want it to, don't it? It actually doesn't. I'm not really wanting to miss my light. Let's go! My God, Eagles. Whoops, don't actually want to put on the blinker. No one dare honk at me. Some honks at me, I honk back at them. Ha! Not road rage. I've explained it in many videos, so I'm kind of done explaining it. I'll explain it once more though. I'm showing my expression. I'm not one of those drivers who's like, if you, oh my God, if you get honked at, I'm not those like drivers who are like, oh sorry, I'm sorry. No, honk back like, yeah, take it back, honk. This is my car, guys. I chose this one. I didn't really paint it and stuff, but I'm glad. Has its stuff, nice front license plate, the way I want it. Let's go, don't make me miss my light. Whoa, blue car, cutting it close. I so just like want to stop in that thing. I could just like run the light. Oh, he just ran the light. I totally take back what I said. This car's also gonna run it. You're probably wondering like, why would I be honking? It might be, no, why are you, really? You give me X's because someone crashed me. That's just plain bad. Let's get something with a front license plate. Yeah, that looks like your usual sedan, right, Polizia? Polizy. Okay, how are we gonna work this out? Hey, last time I checked, we were in Virginia, but hey, that was last time I checked. Last time I checked could mean 10 years ago. My God, stop. Okay, we good? We good, we don't? Road rage. And no, I was not honking at the driver going along, so I was saying bye-bye to road rage. Because if I could say bye-bye to something, road rage would be on my list. Okay, can't wait for everyone. Okay, I'm not gonna wait for everyone. They want me to go somewhere. You know what? Tired. I'm tired. So that's an excuse. What? That road's never gonna be the same. Oh, it has that one. Why did I go that way? Because I needed to make an illegal turn. Make it while there's no one. Make it. Wow. I so cut the median. Oh, crash time 3. That pavement's never gonna look alike. Come on, you don't stop at red lights. off the road like that. You bad driver. Gosh. I got in a very minor accident. How am I undercover? Isn't it so obviously I'm a police car? Ah, go. Run! Knocking on the crossing, you can be pretty sure of that. No tailgating in the family, baby. Dash cams have been pleasing people for over 15 years. They were first made in 1915. So that makes them 15. I was just talking to talk. Apparently. If I'm a parent, then it would be apparently. If I'm not, then it would not be apparently. Parent. I don't know. You know, guys, I've never thought of that. Guys, now we're gonna spin around. There's nothing in our way, you guys. There's absolutely nothing in our way. So hopefully the light's gonna be green so we can just fly on right through. Yes, baby, the light's green. The light's green, baby. And baby, there are no trains. I was like, maybe there's no trains. Even if there was a train, ding, ding, whoo. Yeah, you got the 2 dings. If it was like more and I actually had time to stop, you know me. You know, Mr. UP509 Productions would do all his effort to halt his little face off. Hey, that noise. No, I should have just pulled into the parking lot. I would already be on the road. I love where that leads. You know where it leads? It leads to, I don't even know where it leads. That's where. The front of our car does have scratches. 2 accidents. What do you think? 2%? Flashers ain't on, right? I can run it. No excuses. You know what I could do then? I could pull right into here. And just like fly as fast as I can. Airtime! We just probably totaled our car. Yes, I had to see that. I just had to see that. Oh! That's our poor car, you guys. That's what we're going to be driving around. As long as the horn works, I'm in for driving a totaled car. As long as the horn works. I was like, come on, you drivers. Oh, that's so what I want to do right now. Why are we stopping? Oh, I thought the crossing was right there. Now they're right. Looks like a train just went by them. Oh no, a train didn't. You're so gonna get hit. That's gonna be so fun to watch. I'm about to get hit. Oh, I'm so sorry for that car that just got hit. I so wanted to watch that. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. I'm so mean. That was just... You know what? For saying that, I am parking my car on the tracks. I'm parking my car on the tracks for saying that. Just the back. I didn't say the front. No, did I say I wanted to get hit? No. I just wanted my car to. Here we go, you guys. You guys, get right. You guys! Okay, you guys, that's what I get. The other car got hit, so did I. Dude, are you okay for reals? Yeah, go get parked. Yeah, you drive. Aw, I wish you were on the track so that you could get it for honking at me. One of you isn't. Oh, you vanilla cream car! I don't even want to watch this. You know, guys, the back of my car just got rammed by a speeding train because I was mean, and I decided that that's not okay. Well, R.I.P. Oh no, now I have two. You're probably fine. Ah! Push you on the tracks. You other cars, stay out of it. Stay out of it. I'm too busy pushing this car on the tracks. There, you want them? You want them? There. I don't want the front of your car. I want it to be at 99% so that you can, like, still drive. Not, like, total at 100%, but be at 99%. Like, be driving at 99%. And then, like the cops pull you over. Dude, you gotta repair your car. Someone push you onto the road track. Someone, what? Yeah, I wouldn't really hang around here. When the train comes, I'm even, like, backing away, you guys. And I was the one who parked my car on the tracks, and I'm backing away. Uh-oh, you guys. Uh-oh, you guys. Uh-oh. Woohoo! Oh, jeez! Where do I look? But where do I look? We can make it. I can make it. Can't make it. I suggest you move. I mean, it's just a suggestion. You don't need to move. I guess. Here, let me spin around so I can go across the tracks again. Come on. What's the holdup? Let's go. Oh my dear Lord. Let's go. Oh, your car looks exactly like mine. The longest can. Little trash. Okay. Did I say there was anything wrong with that? No, I didn't. Where'd that tree come from? I don't remember there being a tree here. Dash cam view. I should do like that view, like right when the train's about to hit our car. You guys never race trains? All right. Get out of my way! You know, that was not meant to be. What was meant to be is I did my awesome train glitch. You guys, have you ever heard a theory? Never play around with trains? Maybe this is why. I don't know. Maybe you get hit by a train. I don't know. Maybe that's what's supposed to happen. When you play with trains. That's supposed to happen. Did a cow tell me that? Yeah, I'm pretty sure a cow told me that. I'm just gonna like drive here, and if a train rear ends me, you know what? I'm gonna be driving at like 40 miles per hour. I'm not gonna go above 40. I'm not gonna go under 40. I'm gonna go exactly 40. I was going 20, you guys. Get to our dash cam view. What? Oh gosh. Come on. None of my blinkers work. You know what, guys? This is awesome. I think I want to just like total my car by like ramming into a train.